What's up, all you linear friction welding fanatics?
Kevin, seriously?
Man.
Well, I put the kid's picture in one video and he wants to take the show over. I don't think so, Kevin. But anyways, today's topic is linear friction welding molybdenum. Easier to say moly to moly. There's no book to go to look up these recipes, so we're trying to create these recipes here at Taylor Whitfield Technologies. Moly melts at around 4,700 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's a relatively high temperature. We need to get it to them basically 70% of the melting point and try to join together. As you can see in this video here, this was the first weld that we tried. And this is a slow speed motion. This weld was actually about less than 2 seconds. The weld just destroyed itself. But it was too cool not to show everybody out there that this process, once you perfect it, you get beautiful welds. But getting there is sometimes a little bit of a bumpy road. We do non-destructive testing. We do microsectioning of these welds, checking the mechanical properties, making sure they're strong. Stay safe out there. See you next time. Bye.